All right, Ken Orange Theory Trader back with you with a trade review on crypto. So first off, I just wanted to have a brief proof link here for my broker trade locker and the platform trade locker. $60 profit on Zcash with a point zero 0.01 lot. You'll see my entry size and my entry here and my exit here with the times. I'll put the link to this in the description just so you know. And you see there the live thing. This is a real website. Okay, so this isn't screenshotted or anything like that. So the link for this will be in the description just so you can verify it for yourself. That'll be the only proof you'll ever see about any trades I do. I'm doing this for crypto because I normally do currencies, but let's review the trade here. But that's just for you to know that I'm not just showing things in hindsight. These are real trades that I'm taking. All right. So anyway, here we go. So we have here in crypto, remember it's 24/7. So this trade was actually on Saturday. First off, though, I did lose the first trade that I took on here. I took this. I tried to take a long like back here in the 3 o'clock hour for the 4 hour chart, but I lost. And then, and of course, shout out to my lovely wife. She said, "No, the Zcash is going to go up. Don't give up on it." So I did catch a counter range theory play out here, where we had a 11:03 p.m. and then a 7 o'clock or 1900 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, 7 o'clock at night Eastern Standard Time play out. Now, what I did was I saw the. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Let me do the replay first, and I'll show you what made me get in. Really, I look for fair value gaps. Why fair value gaps? Because to me, that says that the price action is showing momentum. So just to go back to the thing here, you'll see here the entry was at 512. I'll just round it up to 513, which is about right here. Okay, where that blue line is. So when getting in this fair value gap here, I was counting on this to be, you can say, a level of support because this was showing momentum to the upside. And then price retraced a little bit and then hit the gap. And then it shot up. So, but this is where I got in around about here, like I said. And then price just, it really took off. I wasn't even anticipating it to really just shoot up like that. But as you can see, that's exactly what it did. And my exit, according to the link, was 572.49, which was somewhere over here. So, it was a great trade. I'm very thankful for it. But it's the same thing over and over. So while it was a 3 candle pattern, this was a breakout of the range, which normally I don't trade. At the same time, though, we do realize that when you have a small candle, let me get rid of these. When you have a small candle for the range, it can lead to larger candles that can support a breakout. And of course, large candles lead to small candles lead to large candles. But that was a cool little trade to take over the weekend. Normally I have weekends off. And I'm not going to say I'm going to trade crypto every weekend, but that was just a trade on Zcash that did work out. Very thankful. Experimenting with it. I'm still a Forex trader at the end of the day. That's my preference. But if I can catch a good trade on crypto, I'll, take advantage of that too. So that's it. That's the review. Remember, so it was a 11:15, and then you can say 7 o'clock. But I just got in a little bit before 7 o'clock hit because I noticed that this candle was closing green. But this was the range. This was the manipulation or money candle. And then the distribution or breakout here in the 7 o'clock hour. But just remember, when you still could have got in as well at the 7 o'clock open. It was only off by about $4. But even when you take this candle's open or a little bit below it, you still would have got a decent risk to reward right there if you chose to wait till this candle opened. There was a very small pullback and then bang, it just went up. So either one of those entries was fine. And that's it. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time and attention. Again, the link to the real trade will be in the description of this video. But that's it. Simple trade review for the crypto folks. And have a great rest of your day. Take care.